Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT knows that when you ask about pizza, it might also suggest cheese or tomato? Today, we'll learn about word embeddings, AI's secret way of figuring out that pizza and pepperoni are similar, even though they have different numbers behind them. Remember in our last episode how we chopped all that internet text into tiny pieces called tokens. After that, we got simple ID numbers like 175136 for pizza and 56126 for burger. But here's the big problem. These numbers are just simple IDs with no meaning. So, how do we make sense of these numbers and capture their meaning? This is where embeddings come in. Embeddings turn each number into smart list of numbers like a barcode that shows what the word means and how it relates to other words. With embeddings, words like burger and sandwich get similar number patterns and are placed close together because they are both delicious foods. But how does the computer learn these smart patterns? Well, it looks at millions of sentences and learns that when burger shows up, words like sandwich or fries often show up nearby. The more words appear together or in similar ways, the more the computer learns they are related. Now, let's play with our special word map tool at projector.tensorflow.org. Let's type burger. You'll see words like sandwich, onion, and other delicious foods floating nearby. Now, let's try typing bike. You will see words like motorcycle close together. See how food words hang out together like friends at a party? But transport words like bike and motorcycle are in a totally different corner. This shows how embeddings group related words together based on how they are used in millions of sentences. Try it yourself. Type in your favorite food and see what similar words appear. Share your results in the comment. Amazing! We've learned how AI creates meaning by using embeddings to understand the meaning of words and how they are connected. In our next episode, we'll learn how AI's special brain, called a neural network, uses these embeddings to predict the next word in a sentence, just like a chef choosing which ingredient goes next in a recipe. If you missed our previous episodes, give them a watch in the link below. Till I see you next time, happy learning and happy
Happy learning and happy eating.